Hey folks, we've been busy researching compressor pedals to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. Now, before I move on, we'd love to hear what compressor pedal you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best compressor pedals. The 5th product on our list is the MXR Dynacomp. The MXR Dynacomp is a trusted and classic pedal with dynamic range compression. The dynamic leveling feature creates a fattening effect, which makes it a great pedal for country players. The Dynacomp has an operational transconductance amplifier, which increases gain. This sustains the rich sound of your guitar and brings it to the forefront of recordings. It tightens up your signal and creates a percussive sound that can be a great element in your music. This pedal can be powered in one of 3 ways: a 9V battery, a Dunlop volt adapter, or a compatible DC power supply. The build of this pedal is simple and durable with a hard metal case. There are 2 knobs on the front panel, output and sensitivity. There are a few classic ways to use them while you're playing. For example, you can get a clean picking effect by keeping the sensitivity at the minimum and tweaking the output. Overall, MXR's Dynacomp pedal is a piece of hardware that you can rely on. It has an affordable price and creates a great sound. The 4th product on our list is the Xotic SP compressor. The Xotic SP compressor pedal is a tiny pedal that packs a punch. It has a straightforward setup with 2 knobs on the front. These are the 2 main controls of the Xotic SP. The volume knob features a boost of up to 15 decibels. The blend knob lets you mix a dry signal and a compressed signal, which makes for some fun combos. You'll be using the blend knob a lot to toggle the compression level. Between the 2 knobs is a small 3-way toggle switch that lets you choose between high, mid and low frequencies. You have 2 options for a power supply, a 9V battery or DC power. The Xotic SP has a true bypass feature that keeps your signal transparent when you turn off your pedal. Inside the pedal, there are 4 dip switches that you can use to customize controls. The switches labelled 1 and 2 are responsible for the attack and release time, 3 is for the high filter cut, and 4 gives you the option for an input pad. The Xotic SP compressor pedal is a great addition to your pedal board. You get nice features in a compact package. The 3rd product on our list is the Keeley Compressor Plus. The Keeley Compressor Plus is a simple yet robust pedal. It comes with 2 more knobs than its predecessor, so that's got to be good, right? The toggle switch in the middle lets you control the single coil and humbucker features. You can customize your sound with the blend knob. This is useful in compression pedals and gives you room to tweak your audio. There are sample settings in the mini manual that comes with the Keeley Compressor Plus. This is a great addition for beginners who are still figuring out their playing style. One setting is always on compression, which boosts the liveliness of your tunes. This gives you a full and rich effect. The other suggested settings are more subtle, but you'll be able to tweak those to fit your sound. The Keeley Compressor Plus will undoubtedly boost your performance. It works well with tone control and is a great fit for gigging guitarists. The 2nd product on our list is the Boss BC1X. The Boss BC1X compressor pedal has a durable die-cast chassis along with a conventional foot switch. At first glance, you'll find that this pedal has a rugged exterior that won't be fazed by constant use. There are 4 control knobs on the top of the pedal. There's also a 12 LED gain meter that shows your current levels. You can use the ratio knob to adjust the amount of compression. The threshold knob adjusts the signal at which the compression will take place. Left means it will activate at lower signal levels and towards the right for higher levels. It's easy to work with the threshold knob because it responds well and gives you a lot of range. The release knob adjusts the timing, max it out, and you'll get loads of sustain. Finally, the level knob adjusts the output levels of the pedal. The Boss BC1X is for musicians who want a lot of flexibility in their compressor pedal. There's a lot of functions to explore with this pedal. It's great for live gigs and recordings. The first product on our list is the Wampler Ego Compressor. The Wampler Ego Compressor works great with other pedals. It has a transparent nature which brings out your guitar's sound and boosts it. It has a rugged metal body that doesn't shy away from heavy use. On the front panel you'll find 5 knobs for sustain, tone, attack, volume and blend. They're all you really need to create a full country squish, a fatter tone or a clear boost. The sustain knob controls the level of compression. You can feel the notes carry on with it, and it's a great way to enhance your music without adding too much colour. The attack control increases how quickly the compression starts working on the signal. The tone control is uniquely voiced. When it's fully turned counterclockwise, the tone is completely transparent. When you turn it on, it enhances the quality of your sound and brings a sparkle to your tune. Finally, the blend control is the master of this pedal. It can blend the straight signal with compression at a half and half ratio. This helps improve the dry side of your audio without bringing in too much compression. The Wampler Ego Compressor is the best pedal you'll find at its price point. It offers a great amount of value and will be a pedal you can't get enough of. And there you have it, folks, the 5 compressor pedals that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.